Today we'll start quarterly theory series. It's Z Speculates. I am going to make your 2026 really easy to study, to grow, to make money while trading, of course, demo money. Nothing here is financial advice, so enjoy. I will just start. I will explain how I view the market with QT, and let's start. First, let's give credit to Trader Die and Jacob Speculates because I've gotten enough info from them. And yeah, so quarterly theory is mainly to understand how to choose the time to enter, when is a good time to enter. And what is it? It's quarters. Every candle can be divided in 4 quarters. Now, the monthly candle have 4 quarters, like the weekly, daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, yearly, right? And the monthly candles, 4 quarters, are week 1 to 4. Weekly candle, Monday until Thursday. Friday have its own criteria to be traded. Daily candle have 4 quarters by using 4 6-hour candles, which is key to know. Then 4-hour candle have 4 1-hour candles, right? Again, 4 quarters, and 1 hour for 15 minutes. Get it like that. This is how it looks like. And of course, in the daily candle, once you divide it on 4 6-hour candles, you can say that the first is Asia, then London, then New York, and New York PM, right? And like that for every week and month. Every quarter have its own criteria that you can have AMDX or XAMD. This is everything you have to know. And X is what? X can be continuation from the distribution, a reversal, or retracement. Yeah. And this will be how we'll start. Today I might introduce only the 3 opens to you. Then we'll continue with sequential SMT, precision swing points, terminus price divergence, reversion levels, quarterly TPD, sequential sequence, entry techniques, and how to use the things above, and connecting all the dots together, end of series. And I will make one Google Meet so we all can have some talk and enjoy. Let me just quit my laptop from the charger. Yeah, good enough, like that. Good. Now I will just jump on the chart and I will start with true opens because, as you know, I don't like to yap. I just want to get on the charts and give you everything that I know so you can understand it and see it from my view. But true opens, I will just say what is it. Is the opening of quarter number 2, which is week 2 opening, Tuesday 5 p.m. opening, and London opening. So I will just stay right here, and what I want to use or add is this. Oh, I have it already. Let me quit this so it can be easier. So now true opens. Yeah, I recommend this indicator. Now right here I'm now dividing one day in 4 quarters, and my true open of the day starts at this price point, which is what? 12 a.m. right? Midnight New York opening time. Now I will only look to trade if I'm bullish below the true open and anticipate moves up while taking liquidity pools below the important opening price, right? Even you can say the day, but true open is more important. Now, what is this? This is true session open, which is the London. Now, if you see, we are inside what? inside week number 2, which is right here, right? Now with this, what you can see is now while the week was opening, we had a move up. Did we took any liquidity here? No, right? We are just engineering more liquidity. And this is not called open high because we never took a high if you have watched my previous videos. And then we did what? We did a low. Now we ended taking it at a Monday PM session, which is, yeah, I can say you can divide this again into 4 quarters like this, and you're taking it at the PM session, right? Now I would personally ignore this type of entry. I will look to only enter in Q2 and Q3 because this is the highest probability, right? Now once you can enter from the, this is monthly cycle through open, which is week number 2 of a monthly candle, and we see open, low, and now we are stacking true opens, right? We are stacking the weekly true open, which is here, the monthly true open, and a weekly true open, and then we can align even this with a daily true open, right? Everything below this is a good way to enter to ride the price until here, until this liquidity pools. Now this is how you stack the true opens, and you can enter in bearish, in bullish moves below an opening, right? Which is a discount. So everything below this is discount, everything above this is premium. And now as you see, we had a buy when? This is Tuesday. What time? What's this? 9:30, right? And what is happening right now? On a Tuesday, 9:30, key time, right? If we go on a 5 minutes, you see also, I think 90-minute cycles have to show up. Is this? No. Let's see. Why don't they show? Oh, because I have to run the historical, right? Yeah, right here. This is the 90-minute cycles. Look at it. Now, you can stack what? We can stack a monthly true open, weekly true open, true session open, or true day open, right? 12 a.m. Now we can go down to what is the 7:30 true session open, which is the true New York open. And below this, we need a liquidity pool to buy from at a key time. Now, if you see in Q2, did we take that liquidity pool out right here? No, right? Okay, so our next entry can be based on a Q3. Okay, now on Q3, do we have any interesting to buy from? Again, stacking a neutral open, which is what? 9.25, right? Not there, what the fuck? Which is this true open. We will only buy below this, right? And below this, which is the candle that drops below, right? 9.30, open low, taking our liquidity pool and engulfed immediately, which makes this a model number 1 to ride the price up until first you can see this stacked liquidity pools. This is what? Asia. And this is an intraday trade from a model number 1. You can have it stacked like that, taking a clear 2R. Of course, if you can snipe this right here, it can be 8, it can be on this low, 3. It is different from now, but this is a true open. You have 4 quarters. Let me maybe make it like that, it can be easier. Like that. Now Q2 is this. Let's make it like that. This will be a green for Q3 and like that. Now the opening of this is a true open. And now below this is discount, above this is premium. Now of course inside every Q you can have another Q1, Q2, Q3 and Q4, right? Now in Q2 you can have your next true open. True open of this, imagine this is weekly cycle opening, which is Tuesday opening, right? 5 p.m. and this is true day open, true session open. Then now the opening of this. Now you're stacking true opens, and this can be called extreme discount, which is below the main opening price you have another one, and you have to look by below this one. And below this one you can have a key level, you can have a liquidity pool from Q1 put in, then a soup into a key level forming a thick candle that liquidated a low, then swooping and flipping it. And what will happen in Q3? It will happen open low and distribution. And now Q4 is what? Continuation, retracement or complete reversal. Which means for reversal you can take a counter trade with this and end up in Q4. Or you can wait to see if we put, let's say, a gap here, a balanced price area, you know what it is already, and Q4 build a retracement into next day Q2 maybe, which is a true open, to give a soup again and again continuation. And this is about the true opens, which is actually really good, and you can use it very good with that, because it can give you very clear entries into correct key levels, into taking a good liquidity pools, which is Q1 liquidity pools if they're not taken in Q2 and you're bullish in this case. You can see Q3 be a big ass distribution while just tapping a key level and swooping what? 2 quarterly cycles, right? And then Q4 can be again continuation up. And this is really good idea to look for. Let's now take a look at, let's say, some examples, right? Now what I will do, I will just open this and let's see what is going on. Let's see when we will be ready. Yeah, okay. Now this is what? This is an opening, and we have what? This is a true weekly cycle open, right? Now I will stack my openings like that. We see the true open of the week is here, right? Opening of Q2. Now I need liquidity pool inside Q1, which is this, to be swooped below my true open inside a key level to give me a move up, right? Right now I have this as a key level, the high that took the low as a true breaker. Now what can we do more? We align it with a true day open, right? Which is this. Now if you stack them, you have only one good liquidity pool, which is this, a clear defined low, right? This is not a low. And now if you go on a 15 minute, you stacked what? We have weekly true open into a daily true open, and then if you see this, we flip the candle which opened, forming our model number 1 to give a move up. And this is clear, and see the move. And when the distribution started, if you see clearly, you have Q3, which is the daily cycle, and the session cycle. See it. This is where the distribution started. And if you see, before ending, we tested the model number 1 in Q number 2, right? Where we started and tested. This is why we just had to open low, take some sort of liquidity pool as a turtle soup, and ride it up. And my main target is still staying this, and I know that we will get it, but how? We will see. Now again, true open is Q2 of any candle, and you can stack it down until Q2 of Q2 of Q2, and then you can enter below. Let's make it, this is, let's say this is true micro session open. Yes, true micro session open. Then you have true session open, like that. Then you have true daily open, right? Now, if you wanna sell, you first wanna see them stacked like that, which means aligning time and true opens to be stacked together, which means above the true open to have a session open, and inside that session open, imagine this is your session opening, you can have 4 quarters, and you might wanna see, let's say it's like that to be clear, inside this true session open, you wanna see your Q2 through micro session open to be above, and you can look for soups and sells inside here, of course at a key level. And once you see this and you get a flip, this is a whole idea to give you a breaker, a model number 1 right here in this leg, which can sponsor your move down. You will be in premium, right? Because you're above every true open. Of course, you can continue stacking true weekly open and true monthly open, and you can get really premium price to write it down if you're bearish, or what, or vice versa. Once you see things stacking in the opposing direction and you're bullish, you can look for buys below, but you don't need that much of a true open stacked. Of course, you can have this tree, which mainly give the good setups, which is true weekly open is what? This is Tuesday, this is true day open, which is what? Midnight open, right? And true session open. True session open is for London 1:30 a.m. and 7:30 a.m. for New York. Use only this. True day open is what? 12 a.m., which is midnight open. And true weekly open is what? Tuesday 5 p.m. opening price. And now you can stack it and write it at, which is really good. And true monthly open is week 2 opening price. Now you can start stacking, you can start looking at where the true discount is. True discount is below the true opens and true premium is above the true opens. Now stack it with liquidity, like liquidity, and key levels to find yourself a good setups to take and have some fun on the charts right now. Next, what I will do is I am going to introduce to you sequential SMT. You might know it from Day and from Jacob Speculates. It's fine. This is our next thing that will come for you, and this will be very crucial because it's really important and it is really useful, and it will help you navigate where to enter, when to anticipate a model number 1 forming, and why to trust it once you stack these two. Then we will continue down to see how a model number 1 would form here. How would you stack it correctly? How to enter and getting everything together. It will be really fun. I hope you're ready. And I am still making my range trading protocol mentorship for what? For Q number 1 of the year 2026. And if you want, you can now join RTP. I have only 13 more slots which I want to see people get in, and price is now $100 for the whole Q number 1. I will explain everything about ranges, everything about time, everything about choosing the right key level, how to find the right key level, key levels, ranges, which is the best topic, and you will see these exact topics from a different perspective from now on. Then I will cover more for time, not only quarterly, but time as more and how to use it. I will give a lot of CRT, secret sauces, which are not available outside. And you see my drone liquidities, of course, outlooks. We will have backtesting sessions. We will have psychology view of the market. And the last thing that I will give out is the phases and types of delivery on the price, and how to anticipate which one is coming or going to happen. And this is really important. And now, if you think range trading protocol, my mentorship, is not worth giving shot to this, which you're looking for the secrets outside, and I can say that you're wrong, because the next 13 people that join and everyone inside right now are going to benefit a lot from this. Right here, RTP, save your place, let's go. Thank you for watching. Be ready for our second video, which is sequential SMT. And thank you for watching. Subscribe and let's fucking go. Z speculates.